When it comes to upgrading your home's appearance and energy efficiency in Gilbert, Arizona, few changes offer more value and style than installing custom double-hung windows. Known for their timeless appeal and practical functionality, these windows can be tailored to complement any home design, from southwestern adobe styles to modern desert aesthetics. Why double-hung windows are a Gilbert favorite? Double-hung windows feature two sashes that slide vertically, allowing both the top and bottom panels to open. This dual opening system gives homeowners in Gilbert increased ventilation options, a major benefit during the region's hot summers and cool desert nights. Their ease of operation, energy-saving potential, and versatility make them a top choice for both new builds and remodels across the area. Tailoring aesthetic options to fit your home and customizing your double-hung windows ensures they blend seamlessly with your home's existing architecture and design preferences. In Gilbert, where residential architecture ranges from Spanish-style villas to sleek contemporary homes, customization offers the perfect solution for every homeowner. Frame material options. Choose from vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum-clad, or real wood frames, each offering unique advantages. Vinyl is popular for its durability and affordability, while wood adds natural warmth and charm that pairs beautifully with rustic or mission-style homes. Fiberglass, meanwhile, offers superior strength and weather resistance, ideal for Arizona's fluctuating temperatures. Color and finish selection. Whether you're going for a soft desert beige, a bold modern black, or something in between, customizing your window frame color can completely transform your curb appeal. Many manufacturers offer a range of factory-applied finishes that resist fading and chalking under the Arizona sun. Grills and muntin bars. Adding grill patterns, the decorative bars that divide a window pane, lets you personalize your window's appearance. Colonial or prairie grid styles can complement traditional homes, while a no-grill look offers a cleaner, more contemporary feel. Optimizing energy efficiency for the Arizona climate. In Gilbert, where triple-digit temperatures are common, energy efficiency is a top priority. Fortunately, double-hung windows can be customized with advanced technologies that help reduce your cooling costs year-round. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings reflect infrared light, keeping your indoor space cooler without blocking natural light. This is crucial for Gilbert homes where sunlight is abundant but unwanted heat can strain your HVAC system. Gas fills. Double or triple pane glass filled with argon or krypton gas adds insulation between panes. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing outside noise, especially helpful if your home is near a busy road or construction zone. Thermal break frames. Metal frames can be equipped with thermal breaks, insulating plastic sections, to reduce heat conduction. This makes aluminum a more viable option for homeowners seeking a sleek modern look without compromising energy performance. Functional upgrades for convenience and safety. Beyond beauty and energy savings, customizing your double-hung windows allows you to improve function and safety based on your family's needs. Tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning. One of the most appreciated features is the tilt-in design, allowing the window panes to pivot inward. This makes cleaning both the interior and exterior glass a breeze, especially useful for upper-story windows. Enhanced locks and hardware. Choose hardware that blends with your home's interior. Brushed nickel, oil rubbed bronze, or matte black are popular finishes. Enhanced locking mechanisms can also be added for increased home security. Screens and UV protection. Insect screens are a must in the Gilbert area, especially during spring and summer. Some homeowners also opt for screens with UV filtering to reduce glare and protect indoor furniture from sun fading. Final thought. Customizing double-hung windows for your Gilbert home goes beyond selecting a standard size and shape. With a wide array of options for frame materials, finishes, energy-efficient glass, and functional features, you can create windows that perfectly suit your style and climate needs. Whether you're remodeling a historic bungalow or finishing a new build in a modern desert neighborhood, personalized double-hung windows are a smart, stylish investment in comfort and design.